Rich, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. What are you doing here so early?
I couldn't sleep. When I can't sleep, I work at my computer or I bake. You want to know my secret? Lemon zest. Brings it all together. Here. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Do you know what really worries me about loving you? I keep wondering, would I lose interest if you weren't so difficult?
High velocity. That's what you're buying with this baby. She's the best there is, hands down.
Smooth action?
Oh, you bet. And it doesn't have much of a recoil. That's important for rapid firing.
First, I have to ask myself, do I really want to live in jail?
Of course you do. You could teach computers there.
Yeah. I could teach there.
It is the most expensive one we have. There are others that are quite good.
I have to think about it. You get what you pay for. I'll take it.
Great. Anything else? We're having a store-wide clearance sale, prices you can't beat.
Yes, as a matter of fact, there is. Get me a Diet Cola and I'll think about it. I need a Diet Cola and a sandwich. Which one of these ammo vests down here holds the most?
The one on the right there. It's got the most pockets.
All right, I'll take it. Now here's what I would like to eat. Besides the quart-sized Diet Cola, a number 26 sandwich from Togo's.
Togo's?
Anything else?
Yeah, let me have 2 of these double-aught buckshells.
2 boxes.
No, 2 cases.
That's over 2,000 rounds.
Like you said, you can't beat these prices.
Rich.
I'd like a number 26, no tomatoes, with Swiss cheese.
Okay, number 26.
It's their best.
No tomatoes.
Make it large. Fresh baked blueberry bread. Made it myself. How long does it take to get a sandwich and a Diet Cola?
I have them right here in front of me, Rich. I have a number 26 and a quart-sized Diet Cola.
Yeah.
One thing. We still have the problem of getting the sandwich and the Diet Cola back up to you.
Yeah, we do.
Why don't you come down and have them here? Rich, I have your Diet Cola sitting right here in front of me and the ice is melting. Hi, Rich. I brought you your food.
Let's go.